Well, it's already on.
Oh, you started off and then whatever.
This is me and my gay boyfriend.
Bitch. Motherfucker.
Oh, I have like throw up.
Who's your girl's face? Can you try burping? Can you try?
Yeah.
That's better than usually fun to throw up. Never mind. Try.
I feel like that's so unattractive.
Yeah. Okay. What's up? Yeah. What's up? Yeah. That's what I thought. That was a good one.
Oh, this is
Oh,
really
what
gross.
was that? Right? Yeah.
I'm gonna throw up. Oh, that was bad. That made my eyes water.
That is awesome. You guys are just like kissing so much right now.
Really?
Yeah.
No, really? Really though?
Yeah, sure.
Well, are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was pretty bad too, I guess. You better have it. I'll try this one big one. I'll probably throw up or something. I'm gonna go lay down. I want to do. How long was that good for?
A long time because I believe everything.
Burping. Bitch.
Cute.
Oh, that makes me sick. You like when I do sick ones, don't you?
You know me so too well. I probably didn't hear mine. Damn.
Blended in with mine.
Yeah, you just took overwhelmed it. Nah, I'm good. You're loud. Just stop. We're good. Adios.